Today I am going to show you how to manage quick access toolbar in PowerPoint 365. Open a blank PowerPoint presentation. On the title bar at the top left corner, these are the few options of quick access toolbar. Click on the down arrow button and go to more commands. These are all commands which are used in Office 365 PowerPoint presentation. You can add command of your choice. For example, I want to add command of font size, font color, or any other depending on your requirement. Click on that command, click on the add. That command will appear on your ribbon here. Now there is also another option here, the customize quick access toolbar. You have to choose either you have to customize this ribbon for this presentation or for all documents which are set as default. Now if I want to do it for only this presentation, click on for this presentation. Now you have to select the bullets, or you have to select the commands which are required for your this presentation. Add, click on that command. Duplicate slide, add, insert picture, add. Select all the commands which will be required in your current presentation. Now if by some mistake you have selected a wrong command, you can also remove that. Simply clicking that command, remove that command. Now if you have done all your commands, you can simply click OK, and that commands will appear on your title bar top quick access toolbar. Now there is also another option of customization, import or export. If you have any file you have saved in your PC or laptop, you can import from here, and if you want to export, you can also export your all customization. Now if I have selected these two options, I will click OK, and this command will appear here. Duplicate slide and copy. For example, I am writing digital skills. Here the copy option appears. I will copy here and simply paste it over here. So in similar way you can do for your commands which you want. For more details and more updates on PowerPoint presentation, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.